We will discuss question number 2 in this clip. A to F, all the questions is to be done in maths fair copies. First of all, I'll note down question number 2A, that is 46, 213, 24, 103. Again, simple it is. We have to subtract first of all and then check. 3 minus 3, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, then again 1, 2 and then 2. We are getting here 22,110 as the difference. Okay. Now we have to do check. How to check? We'll write here check. Then the rule for checking is, I told you that the difference number, that is 22,110, we will add the subtractant. What is the subtractant here? 24,103. 0 plus 3 will be 3, then 1, 2, 6 and 4. The answer of checking which we are getting, that is 46,213, should match with the minuend. Is it matching with the minuend? Yes, na? So that is this means that the result which we get is correct. Then 2B you have to do on your own. I'll move towards 2C. Question is 92,794. Yes. So you can see here I have noted down the question. We have to do subtraction. 3 minus 4, is it possible? From a smaller number we cannot subtract the bigger digit, right? So again 2 will become 1, 10 will become 9, 0 again will become 9 and here 13. So 13 minus 4, we will count from 5 till 13. How? You can see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We'll get here 9. Then 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then 1 and 9. So it is 91,209. So here we will check our solution that it is correct or not. For this what we have to do? 91,209. We will add the subtractant. Okay. So 9 plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 carried forward. 9 plus 1, 0. Then 1 again carried. Again 10. Then 1 carried here. 2 and 9. If you will match your answer, that is 92,003. 92,003 means our solution is correct. Then 2D also you have to do on your own. I'll complete E for you. 620,071 341,598 like this minus. So 1 minus 8 is not possible. 11 minus 8 is 3. Now 6 minus 9 again not possible. Then 16 minus 9. We will count from 10 to 16. It will be 7. 9 minus 5 is 4, then 0, 5, then 10 minus 4 is 6, 5 minus 3 is 2. We will check the solution. The result adding with the subtractant. So 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carried, 9 plus 1, 10, then 17, 5 plus 4, 9, then 2, then 0 and here 6. What do we get? 602,071. Matching with the minuend, 602,071 means this is also correct. F also I'll do. Then B and D you will complete on your own. F. Question is 508,906 minus 9984. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then it will become here 8. Then 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 9 is not possible. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 will be 9. Then 7 cannot subtract 9, so 5 has to become 4. Then here will be 17. Okay, so 17 minus 9. It will be here 8 and then 9 and 4. Clear? We will check our solution. That is 498922. What else? That is subtract 10, no? That is 9984. We will add. It should be same as minuend, no? 4 plus 2 6, 8 plus 2 10, 1 carried, 9 9 18, 19, 1 carry, then 18, then again 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10 and 5. 508906. You can see. Means it is also correct. So question number 2, A to F is to be done in your classwork fair copy. B and D you will complete on your own.